What if I told you you could make more than $800 quickly right now? Simple, as in 90% of the work is done for you with just a few clicks, and you can start making money right away. Today, I'll show you how you can earn money without any experience. Stay with me till the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, this is MetaUverse, bringing you awesome videos about cool tech, making money online, and much more. Now, go to Latium.org. Once you're there, click the link in the Browse section at the top of the page that says Browse Projects. That will take you to this page where you can look at the different feature projects. You can see that there are almost too many jobs to choose from on this website, and you might be able to make a lot of money doing them. I'll show you how to do it in a way that doesn't take much work from you. People from all over the world are taking advantage of this chance to make more money. All of the jobs are separated into different categories, such as usability testing, registration, translation, app downloads, video and animation, etc. I'll save you a lot of time and get you the extra information right away, so that you may start making money right away. I'll demonstrate to you what is best and most efficient at this time. I have one more piece of advice for you. Pay attention to the categories for graphic and design. To get to this page, which only shows projects with graphic and design, all you have to do is click on this link right here. I can promise you that this is one of the easiest ways to make money, and you can do it even if you don't know anything about computers or graphics. Just look at all of these projects, some of which are worth thousands or even hundreds of dollars, to see how many tasks and jobs are available to everyone. I can just keep scrolling down if I want to see how many projects are available. You're probably asking yourself, how can I do that? And how can I start making money like this in US dollars? Let's say that Trusted Training puts up a project like this one. You can find the project here. They want you to make a logo that is new and different. To go to this website right now, all you have to do is click on this project. As you can see, the payoff is between $450 and $550, and you will be paid in US dollars. As you can see, we want to make a new unique logo for our trading business, Trusted Training. You can get the logos at freelogodesign.org without having to make any of them yourself. From the homepage, you can see that this website offers free software and services that lets you make logos in a few seconds. As you can see, these are just a few examples of professional logos for different businesses. Each one is made using a different template with a different design. Once more, I can tell you that this will be among the easiest ways to make money without having to put in any work. It's easy and quick to make a professional logo. Two sorts of information are required in order to create a free logo on this website. You must first choose a company name before selecting one of these categories. Here we can find the name of a business. For instance, if we want to work on this project, we must enter Trusted Training as the company name. We are including the company name because it will be directly displayed on the logo, which is why we're doing so. The next thing you'll find out is that their company is in the health, fitness, and activity category, which means that they are a health and fitness company. After putting in the name of the company, we have to choose one of these subcategories. Just click on the down arrow to choose one of these categories. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. We simply click below and look for education because there is a corporation that teaches people how to improve their health. To get started right away, all you have to do is click this button. After that, they will start loading and showing you different logos. Are you still with us? If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. With just one click of a button, you can quickly and easily make pages and pages of unique logo designs that you can use for free. You can choose any of these designs, and as you can see when I scroll down below, they all look very professional. When you're done with page 1, click here to go to page 2. Where you'll see more unique logos with the company name in a prominent place. If you show them to your clients on Latium and they're not happy, or if you're not happy with any of them, you can just pick one of these new logos and show them again. Even in just one category, there are already 4 pages of different logo ideas to choose from. If you're not happy with the designs, you can look at new ones by choosing a different category. You don't need to know anything about technology or graphic design, and you don't have to come up with any of the many options and creative logo ideas on your own. As I said, this is one of the easiest ways to make money without any special skills right now. Let's say you want to use this logo. All you have to do is click on this and choose Add. And it will show up on your canvas right away. You can make any changes or edits you want from there. For instance, you may drag and drop this logo to any location, change its size, and make any other adjustments you desire. Let's use the company's name as an example. They are so professional that you don't need to make any changes. You can finish all of your logos with a single click. You can add tags, modify the color, font type, and font size, as well as drag and drop them into any desired position. You can see a preview of the logo on your computer, phone, and other devices by clicking this button. All you need to do is save the logo design on your smartphone. After you're happy with it, just click the Save button. This is just one of the logos that was made for this company. And guess what? When you go back to Latium and look at the different projects, you'll see that there are hundreds of them that need people like you and me to make logos. For it, they pay you substantially and promptly. All you have to do is sign up for free and click the button at the top of the website. This will take you to a page where you can enter your email address and start making money with Latium. I'll give you one more piece of advice right now. In addition to visiting Latium.org, you can also visit Fiverr.com, a website for freelancers where you can find a number of related projects. If you type logo design into the search button, you can find a number of projects and other logo design work. These are just a few examples of freelancers from other countries who work on Fiverr and make a good living by helping others design and make logos. People from all over the world have asked for help making logos. You can do it if you went to this website for free logo design and made all of the logos quickly and in a professional way. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.